God, the voice.
BTG, let's do it.
What's up, everybody? Fire Chicken here at the Scrapyard. Got a boxing match for you today. First, I want to give a shout out to OTH, Overtime Hustlin', big supporters of the Scrapyard. Check out their YouTube channel and their magazine. Also, Pichoto Premium Clothing Brand and Monarch Bachelor, our Beamer representative, are our sponsors. Check out the link in the description to both of those. To my right, we got BTG. He's 0-0 in the Scrapyard. And to my left, we got Chopsaw. He's 0-0 in the Scrapyard. His eyes on. Timer, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard. Let's go.
Cross.
You gotta touch him with your...
Oh yeah, there, straight.
Overhand. Right overhand.
Don't move it so much.
Right overhand.
Great shot.
Down the pipe, Cody, down the pipe.
There you go.
Oh, you have a hand.
No.
Is that left?
Against like a call. Touch him with your
Your
jab.
hand is down.
You gotta touch him with it. There you go. Again. 2 jabs this time. 2 jabs. There you go. 2 jabs.
Stay aggressive.
Yeah, your hands up. 2 jabs. Throw a finger right. To your right. There you go.
Fire straight. Fire straight.
Step in with your jab right there. Yep. Stay to your right. Stay away from his right hand. To your right. To your right. There you go.
Keep your body in there.
Jab him to the cage. Jab him. There you go. There you go. Good. Good. Go to your right.
Make sure you keep your left hand up.
Double jab right hand. Ah, you could have had it right there. Do it again. There you go. There you go. Again. 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 To your right. Step to your right. Step to your right. Step to your right. To your right. To your right. Good. There you go. 30 seconds.
Good.
Keep your hands up, bud.
Good work, you guys. Good work.
Step to your left. To your left. There you go. Walk him back to the corner. Push outs on him. Right there. Go. Go. Don't wait. Hey. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timer, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard. Round 2.
Let's get that center of the cage.
Let him burn that. Let him burn that. Everybody in that. Let him blow that. Now right there, pop him hard. Yeah, right there. Pop. There you go. There you go.
Hands up.
Step to your left. There you go. Step to your left. You got nothing on you. Nothing with that jab. There you go. You gotta touch him with it first. There you go. Now drop.
Body.
Step to your left. Keep him in the corner. Step to your left. There you go. Right in his forehead. Step.
Close it back up.
Step to your right. There you go. To your right. Now walk him right towards me. There you go. Yep. Right towards me. There you go. Very good. There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Go back.
There you go. Step in on it, though.
Not gonna respect you if you don't keep your jab out. Don't slap. Jab.
2 jabs this time. And then step to your right.
Listen well. Get that lead up.
Right there. Right there. There you go. Much better.
Don't let her breathe. Put pressure on him. Come on. Jab. Closes like that back. Follow up.
More punches.
Good. That was stiff. Jab.
There you go. Again. Especially when he turns his back.
30
Go hard.
seconds.
Especially when he turns his back. Don't let him walk away. Hey, you gotta win these 30 seconds. More punches.
Jab, piece though. 3 piece.
Get out of there. Go.
Yeah, right now.
Keep going.
Stand there, jab.
Keep going.
He's got to come in. He's got to come fast.
Keep going. Keep going.
Pump it.
Keep going. Step to your right.
There it is.
Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap hard. Round 3.
Jab. Keep him away. Keep him away with that jab.
Do not stop. There you go. There, jab. Yeah. There you go. Keep going.
Jab in the circle.
Better. That's there. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Pressure. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Let's go.
Back on your jab. Back on your jab. There you go. Don't stop. Don't stop. You're in much better shape.
There, right there. There. Throw it.
Much better shape.
Hard.
There you go.
Not that. Jab.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, bro.
See, now he's gassed. Put it on his chest now. There you go. Keep going. This is where you can't stop.
There it is.
Pressure. Wait.
Can't stop.
Wait.
Tired. Go.
Don't wait. Don't wait right there. Don't wait. Right here. Right here. Back on him. Back on him. There. See, his hands are down. Breathe a little.
There it is.
There you go.
Just as tired as you. Throw that jab.
Keep going.
Good work. Good work.
Keep it up. Right there. You got it. There you go.
Keep working.
Keep him away from you.
There you go. Back on him. Don't stop. Don't stop. Step to your right. Step to your right. To your right. Go. 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 Go.
Finish strong, bro. Finish strong.
Right cross. Right cross.
10 seconds. There you go. Again, one time right there. One time.
Go. Hands up.
Five,
Go.
3, 2, 1.
After 3 rounds, we have your winner, and the judges scored this one unanimous.
Let's go.
Good fight, man. Good fight.
Hard.